Ticker symbol BABA absolutely met one of the targets that we were looking for, right? And in fact, you can actually look at it as two, right? The downside and the upside. So there is another opportunity being presented here, though. So I want to go ahead and go over this now. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again. This is ARCa coming at you with a BABA technicals, raw price action, and statistical threat of analysis on this Thursday. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community in Discord called ARCa Bulls. With that said, let's dive right into the charts. Okay, you guys, so this is what I mean, right? I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the play that I posted up on the Discord, and this is essentially what we're using for our paper trading panel, right? So this is the simulator trade that we're using, right? We want to make sure to keep everybody safe. This is why we suggest paper trading and not live cash. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at this probability here. This is essentially how I put my plays up, right? I give you the long ranges, which is the area that we would consider longing the ticker in the simulator, and then also we provide the stop loss figure, right? So in this case, this would be a -3% stop, right? Very tight stop because they're, that's just we manage our risk the right way. Okay, so now we gave a target from this range here, right? So from this range, you can see that I put the targets like this. So this. It's an $80 asset, right? So 8% move to the upside is pretty substantial, right? So we got that entry here. We're looking at the 4-hour chart, right? So we got that entry here perfectly to the execution zone, right? So if we highlight that trend line, it's 77.45 and named ARCa's range, right? This is the one that I wanted. And please look at here on the low of the candle, right? You can see when we hover over it that the low came into 77.37. It was very, very close to the area that we were talking about, just slightly upside of it, right? So we got that perfect entry and we got the perfect execution to target range number 1, right where we face the SMA 50 resistance and our topside zone, right? So that marked an 8% move to the upside on ticker symbol BABA. If this were an options play that you were playing, then that would be an incredible delta play, right? Because you would be looking at $77 to $83. So every single dollar increment that the asset moves up, you would get that delta times 100 shares of the options contract to the upside, right? So for every single dollar that you go up, so delta times 100, $1, delta times 100, another dollar, delta times 100, another dollar. And if you jump in the money, then that would be gamma added to delta times 100 per dollar up too, right? So these opportunities are looking very nice thus far. Okay, so you can see here that this long wicked candle marks a very nice little hammer here, right? And that's on the 4-hour. I don't usually like to practice candle analysis on the shorter time frames, right? Because they have a lesser hit rate. But you can see here that we came right back down to that EMA 55 and touched down very nicely. Found that support just shy of it, of course, right? And then the price action rejected and has now created or converted the support of the EMA 21. Okay, you guys, so we succeeded the upside of the 21, and now there could be a continuation to the upside for a few reasons. First of all, you guys know that, and you're looking at the complete play, right? You're looking at the complete targets, the target section that I'm looking for, right? So please go ahead and notice right down here that we have an inclining momentum on the stochastic momentum oscillator, right? We also have inclining volatility. So this means that when we have that upside on momentum paired with increasing volatility, very, very